Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to print hello world in Python. To print hello world in Python, you must open your Python IDE. I use Pycharm, and for instructions on how to install that, please check the video in the description below. So we first create a Python file. I'm gonna name my Python file lesson 1. To print hello world in Python, you type in print brackets, and here you can use single quotes or double quotes, it doesn't matter. I prefer double quotes. Then you type in hello world, print. It prints hello world. If you want to print hello and world in two different lines, you type in \n, run the code, and it will print hello and world in two different lines. So that was how to print in Python. Please check my channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.